Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn lesson 1, Handicrafts of North India. India is rich in culture and crafts well depicted in its handicrafts, be it decorative pieces, jewelry, or clothes. The handicrafts are famous the world over. Yes. In India, people, they are famous in rich in their culture. The people used to do the decorative things like embroidery, making jewelry with a chart paper. They are using the handicrafts to show the talent as well as to decorate the home, to use the waste pieces, paper, waste pots, and with clothes they used to do embroidery. So now we are going to identify some of these well-known handicrafts from North India. So now we are going to identify some name of the handicrafts and in which place these type of handicrafts are famous. So here they are giving some pictures. Okay, here they are giving some pictures. Here we have help box. With help of this help box, we have to match the correct name and place. So now we are going to identify the picture and the name. So first one is Pulkari thread work. You just see here how they are making. They are make the embroidery here like a tablecloths. Okay, table clothes in table shape, dining table or study table. We are making these clothes to use for tables. And second one, Tawa jewelry. It is famous in Rajasthan. Dear students, see here, we know about these pots, small pieces. Nowadays, for the small kids, girls are like to wear this type of jewelers. This is also handmade with a small rope. In that small pieces, they are with handmade. They are making designs. They are likes to wear this type of jewelry. It is famous in Rajasthan. Its name is Tawa jewelry. It is famous in Rajasthan. Next one is Pashmina Jamwar shawl making. Pashmina Jamwar shawl making. See here how the people made a design in this shawl. Flower, like a dot. Okay, so this shawl is famous in Jammu and Kashmir. Still the people are using that shawl in Jammu and Kashmir. Here next one is walnut wood carving. Walnut wood carving. See here, this is a wood. This is the wood. In that wood, how the people are making design. Okay, you just see their creativity. They are using these designs, these handicrafts to make a door and show vase. Okay, and almirah. So this type of wood designs they are used to make the dining table, almirah, window, door. So next one is chicken curry thread embroidery. It is famous in our native place, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, see, you just see here how the people are used to do. They are having one stand like that. In that they are put one piece of cloth in with the help of embroidery thread. They are first made a design, which type of design or which flower they want. They first used to draw in the clothes. After that, with the help of embroidery thread, they are used to do chicken curry thread embroidery work. It is famous in our place, Uttar Pradesh. Next one is blue pottery. You see here nice designs and small plates. It's not like a glass plate. It is glass plate. You see there upside the designs. Small kids are likes this type of plates to play. So this is blue pottery is famous in Rajasthan. Next one is Dogra Hat. It is famous in Chhattisgarh. You just see the statue of this picture. How the people have a patience to do these handicrafts. This type of statues also they are made by the hand. You just see how nice it is. The small children also make the help of clay. They are used to do some statue. So likewise they are making such a nice statue to help of maybe wooden or stone. So this is called Dogra Hat. It is famous in Chhattisgarh. So at last we are going to see the clay pottery. At last we are going to see the clay pottery. Small pot like this. See the small pot, vessels. You know how nice it is. See that plate and outside of that vessels, how they are designing. These are the glass. Okay? That glass outside, how they are making the designs. This is also they made by hand. So this type of clay pottery is famous in Haryana. So now we are in second lesson. First Indian woman too. First Indian woman too. So our first days the people are taught that women are useless. They can't do anything else. Why they want to study? Better to stay at home like that. But nowadays women are active many things. In every field women are there. Likewise here some women are active in a particular field in their life. Let's see one by one. See here there are 6 women active in a particular. They are from India. Indian women. So first one is first woman flight engineer to be inducted into the Indian Air Force. Okay, so she is the first Indian Air Force. No one is not there so far. She is the only one and she is the first Indian woman. Let's see who is she. Yes, her name is Harnima Sneha. Harnima Sinha. Harnima Sinha. She is the first Indian mountain climber and sportswoman and world first Indian female amputee. She is the first Indian woman mountaineer. She, if it is very tall, very highest mountain also, she can climb very fast. Okay, so she is the first Indian mountain climber and sportsman also. Next woman is Dr. G.C. Anupama. Dr. G.C. Anupama. She is the first woman president lead Astronomical Society of India. She is the first woman president to lead Astronomical Society of India. She is the first Indian lady. So far no one is not there. Next. L.T. Bhavna Kasturi. Nowadays, male people also afraid to go to the army, but she is the woman, she is the first officer to maintain the male officer, 71 officer. Among them, she is the only one lady to control them, to lead them. So she is the first lady officer, L.T. Bhavana Kasturi. Hina Jeshwar, the first Indian woman flight engineer of the Indian Air Force. She is the first Indian pilot. She is the first Indian pilot. Her name is Hina Jeshwar. Her name is Hina Jeshwar. Captain Shikha Surabhi. Captain Shikha Surabhi, the Indian Army's first female stunt rider. She is the first female stunt rider. She is the first female stunt rider. Captain Shikha Surabhi. Captain Shikha Surabhi. The first woman Indian sprinter, her name is Hima Das. The first Indian woman sprinter. The first Indian woman sprinter, her name is Hima Das. So these 6 achieved the particular field. Okay? And I hope you understand the lesson 1 and 2 revision. Thank you and have a nice day.